Hey everyone, how are you doing? It is Brenda, one of your coupon teachers. I am here with Jen. You guys are going to talk to her here.
Hi.
Woohoo! In just a moment. Guys, we have our in-person class coming here July the 31st. We're super stoked about it. It has been a year and a half. Oh my God, I just said a year and a half. I'm going to turn the camera, guys, so that Jen can tell you all about it.
All right, hi guys.
There you are.
Jen. I'm the other coupon teacher. So we're going to be here at the Center of Advanced Wellness on Saturday, July 31st, and this is our teaching space.
Oh my gosh.
So our first time to be able to have a coupon class in person since January of 2020, and we're able to do it free because the Center of Advanced Wellness is sponsoring us and is basically gifting the space to let us teach you how to save money. So this is a terrific opportunity. I do hope that people take advantage of it. You can go to savingourway.com to RSVP. As you can tell, Brenda kind of showed them the space. We do only have so much room.
Oh, yes.
Right?
Right.
So we want to make sure that we have enough chairs for everybody. And so that's why RSVPing is so important. And also, I know we've talked about this in other times that we've done videos, because we only have so much space, we do not have childcare on premises. This is really about having just the seats for the people who are going to be doing the couponing. So if you have a 7-year-old, a 4-year-old at home, unfortunately, we do not have space for them to sit with you in this class. That's why we have online classes. So those are going to be coming on August 3rd and 4th as well. So if you have childcare concerns, don't worry about it. We got you. We have that online class that we'll be doing the first week of August. But yeah, I just think that this is amazing that the Center of Advanced Wellness gives us the space so that people can come and learn in person, because it's been such a long time since we've been able to do that. And some of the couponing game has changed. You know, Brenda and I were talking about this today, about the priorities, and the basics are still there. You need to be able to have coupons in order to coupon, right? And you need to know what the coupon policies are at your store of choice. We talk about HEB in the coupon class, but a lot of the information we share can be used at other stores as well. But there are so many functionalities that weren't there a year and a half ago, with in terms of, you know, the various rebate apps, the receipt apps that you don't even have to buy set things. You can just scan a receipt like Fetch Rewards and be able to get cash back on every receipt that you scan into the app. We just found out information that HEB is testing a new debit card. We're going to be talking about that and how you can use that with your coupons to save money. So there's really going to be a lot of information to share. We can't wait to get back in touch with you guys in person. Again, Saturday, July 31st, here at the Center for Advanced Wellness, which is on Botts Lane, so it's in kind of the 410 airport area. And when you RSVP, it'll give you exact directions and address there as well. Brenda, anything else we want to share about the class?
No, hey, we're just really, really excited, Jen. It's been a year and a half since our last in-person class. So if you guys like the more one-on-one, you definitely want to RSVP. But for your convenience, like Jen was saying, we do have the online classes.
Right.
When is that, Jen? August?
Online classes are going to be running on August 3rd and August 4th. So I think August 3rd is a Tuesday, and I want to say it's at 7:30.
Hey, Jessica.
The website savingourway.com has exact times for that. And then the following session will be at 1 o'clock. So if you really need the house to yourself, right? Maybe the time when all the kids are at school is the time that you can really focus and learn. We'll do that for you as well. Both the in-person session and the online session will last about 60 to 75 minutes. If we have time left over at the end of the in-person classes, we do take questions. And of course, on the online class, you can ask questions at any time just by chatting into the comments, because I may be talking to you, but Brenda and the rest of the admin team are answering questions in the comments.
Right, we are there for you guys.
Questions answered like on the spot. So that's another point to pick. If you really have a list of questions of, hey, this has happened to me in the past and I want to make sure I get X, Y, and Z figured out, the online classes are a terrific place to do that, because we really have not just Brenda and I in front of you, but we have the whole admin team available as a resource for you in the comments of that class.
All
so
right.
Again, go to savingourway.com. You have the 3 in-person sessions to choose from on July 31st. The first 2 sessions are almost full, so move fast.
It's free, so move fast.
Here in person. And then the virtual classes are available to RSVP for there as well.
So what is the address here?
This is, I think, 8723 Bots Lane. 8721 Bots Lane is this side, and then the next side over is the full Center for Advanced Wellness.
That's
so
right.
Right in that 410 airport area. It's very easy to get to, even if you're on the south side, because you can just shoot up 281, take the airport exit, and then head over.
All right, that sounds amazing. All right,
guys.
thanks so much. We
Happy
will see you guys soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.